Seyyah Ressam here. Glad you could join me for another deep dive into tomorrow's tech. Stick around as we explore features, performance, and hidden quirks you won't see in the spec sheet. For gamers looking for a fast, reliable, and stylish wireless mouse without breaking the bank, SteelSeries Rival 3 Wireless Gen 2 is a top contender. At just around $60 USD, it offers premium features like 18,000 dpi, dual wireless modes, and up to 200 hours of battery life. Wrapped in a lightweight and modern design. A fresh look with color to match. This new generation doesn't just perform better, it looks better too. The Rival 3 Wireless Gen 2 ditches the plain aesthetic of its predecessor and arrives in 4 eye-catching colors: black, white, mint green, and lavender. The lavender variant, in particular, is likely to win over many female gamers and anyone who prefers a bold yet elegant style. The mouse retains a symmetrical design familiar from the wired Rival 3 Gen 2, but adds angular grooves and subtle detailing that separate each section of the shell. This gives the mouse a more mechanical, futuristic feel. The back panel doubles as a battery and receiver compartment cover, which can be easily detached by pressing and sliding it backward. Inside, there are 2 AAA battery slots and a cleverly placed storage slot for the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. A smart, compact solution similar to designs from Logitech and Razer. Flip the mouse over, and you'll find a nearly translucent base, giving a sneak peek at the internals, a playful yet premium touch. Around the edges are PTFE glide feet, a power switch, and the high-performance optical sensor. The outer shell is made of durable matte plastic, offering a grippy texture without being glossy. Whether you prefer claw grip or palm grip, the mouse feels stable in hand and eliminates the need for extra grip tape. DPI and sensor built for competitive speed, while the previous wired model capped out at 8,500 dpi. The Rival 3 Wireless Gen 2 blows past that, with an impressive 18,000 dpi, powered by the TrueMove Air optical sensor. Designed for high-speed, high-intensity gaming, especially FPS titles, this mouse guarantees lightning-fast tracking with minimal input lag. In fact, SteelSeries boasts a response time of just 1.9 milliseconds, ensuring that your clicks register instantly in even the most demanding games. This makes it an ideal tool for competitive players who rely on pixel-perfect precision and split-second reactions. Connectivity is also a highlight. The mouse supports both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth, allowing you to switch easily between gaming on your PC and working on a laptop or tablet. Fully loaded with 2 AAA batteries, it weighs just 106 grams. Using one battery brings it down to 96 grams, and without any batteries it weighs 83 grams, making it a versatile travel companion. Long-lasting clicks and battery life. Durability matters in a gaming mouse, and the mechanical switches in the Rival 3 Wireless Gen 2 are rated for 60 million clicks. That means you can expect several years of solid performance, even with intense daily use. Battery life is another major win. SteelSeries promises 200 hours of usage on a single set of batteries, assuming a daily use of around 8 hours. That translates to nearly a full month of gaming before needing a battery swap. This is far above average, especially at this price point. Real-world performance. During hands-on use, the mouse glides effortlessly, thanks to its high-quality PTFE feet. Whether you're gaming on a mousepad, wood desk, or table surface, the cursor feels smooth and controlled. The weight distribution feels just right, not too heavy, not too light, and lends itself well to precise aiming in FPS games or fast editing tasks for creators. If there's one minor drawback, it's the scroll wheel, which feels slightly soft and lacks the tactile feedback of more expensive models. Still, it performs reliably and does not significantly affect the overall experience. Conclusion: at just $60 USD, the SteelSeries Rival 3 Wireless Gen 2 is an absolute steal. With its dual wireless modes, top-tier sensor, customizable colors, and stellar battery life, this mouse punches well above its price point. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just want a versatile, reliable mouse for work and play, this one deserves a spot on your desk.